The Upper Daegrum Youth Development Committee met Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horen Singh Bey, KAAC Deputy Speaker Rite Singh He and MAC Pabitra Rongpi to acquaint them of the various issues and problems faced by the people of Upper Daegrum area. A representation was also submitted to the KAAC chief to seek assistance for the development of the area. The Upper Daegrum Youth Development Committee delegation was led by its president Kamal Singh Rongphar and was accompanied by Isak Ingti Taro, Bovel Rongphar, Jameson Rongphar and Manikson Ingti Taro. The local body of Upper Daegrum area also submitted a memorandum to the KAAC chief where they highlighted the issues and demands of the area. In their memorandum, the UDYDC urged upon the KAAC for arrest of miscreants involved in the suspected murder of Sobita Hansepi and Anisha Ingtipi, construction of bridges from Koilamati to Upper Daegrum, installation of cellular network and services in the area, medical sub-center with all the basic facilities, job for Somsing Ingti endorsing Hanse, PHE and IB in the area. While speaking to local media, UDYDC President Kamal Singh Rongphar and Secretary Isak Ingti Taro informed that the KAAC CEM, MP, Deputy Speaker and MAC have also promised them to consider their demands placed in the memorandum and during the interaction. The UDYDC leaders also stated that villages comprising of Lokhon Hanse village, Upper Daegrum Lokhiram Rongphar village, Phangcherop, Mai Timung village, Sathi Rengma village and other villages under the Upper Daegrum area are now looking up to the leaders for fulfillment of their demands, which were placed on Friday.
Labangso memorandum kipi labangke sontroksi do isi bangke karitang Sobita Hansepi lapen karitang Anisha Ingtipi alam tum apana pran karmurat tumapan justice long pregnancy po silo lan parta alang litum kisung kipuret ahem asora tumapan government employment kipisi apan isi hini dolo lapen kithoma bangke PHE lo kijun lang misen longnang po lapen pli bangke network mobile network alada bangke mobile network siksak piglang posi la jongam lo lan parta tovar kedam ke bang penan ka siksak alada sitong nang lo non puan sitame la posi tovar ta jongpon lo nelitung rong trok do nelitung rong trok ara tu sitame la bangso nelitung memorandum ke pi ateng pen nang claim pi vek po pusin nelitung ning thesi jonghong lo.
Samson Intis report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live.
Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Edpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440.